On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera not working or there is a glitch in the camera. So don't worry, the problem is very easy to solve. So just watch this video until the end. So there's two ways to fix it. The first way is you just have to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and then click here on update. That's the first way. The second way is you just have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps right here, and after that go to the apps manager, go to Instagram and click on it, and now click on the force stop option and then click on the storage. Click on clear data and then go to the data usage. Or now right here you have to make sure that to enable all those options, those four options. And the last thing you have to do is you just have to turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.